Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we'll show you fun and delicious ways to use your homemade ube jam, from breakfast treats to baked desserts, making every bite unforgettable. Have you ever stumbled across a dessert so visually stunning you had to find out what it was? Chances are, if the color was a rich, almost unbelievable violet, you met ube jam. This vibrant purple, creamy dessert spread has truly captured the attention of bakers, foodies, and social media feeds around the globe. Known traditionally in the Philippines as ube halaya, this sweet treat is far more than just a spread. It is a beloved centerpiece of Filipino cuisine. Ube halaya boasts a distinct, subtly sweet character that many compare to a blend of vanilla and pistachio, along with a comforting earthiness. Its appeal lies not only in its unique flavor but also in its unmistakable, natural color and incredibly smooth texture. This video will explain what ube jam is, provide an easy guide on how to make it, and share the very best ways to incorporate this culinary phenomenon into your daily life. The purple powerhouse. What exactly is ube jam? To understand ube jam, we must start with its main ingredient, the ube itself. Ube, pronounced ube, is the Filipino term for purple yam, Dioscorea alata. This tuber is not a purple sweet potato, which is a common misconception. While both are root vegetables, they come from different plant families and have different flavor profiles. Ube is native to the Philippines, and it grows extensively across the islands. The intense, beautiful brightness of ube jam comes entirely from the natural pigments in the yam. When cooked, the starches in the ube create a naturally thick base, perfect for making a velvety pudding or spread. It has been a staple dessert ingredient in Filipino homes for centuries. Ube halaya versus ube jam, clearing up the name confusion. When you see a jar labeled ube jam in an international supermarket, it is generally the same product as the traditional ube halaya. Halaya translates roughly to jelly or jam in some Filipino linguistic context, defining a thick, pudding-like consistency. Ube halaya refers to the authentic, homemade version. It is often served slightly chunkier, molded, and eaten with a spoon as a dessert. Ube jam is the term commonly used outside of the Philippines, especially for smoother, commercially bottled versions designed for spreading on toast or pastries. Essentially, the core ingredients and flavor are identical. Knowing the term halaya connects you directly with the rich culinary heritage of the Philippines. The flavor profile. How does ube jam taste? Ube jam's unique appeal comes from its complex flavor. It is not just sugary, it features an intriguing depth. The taste is often described as nutty and earthy, with strong notes of vanilla and white chocolate. Some people detect hints of coconut or even a subtle, buttery pistachio finish. Its consistency is what truly sets it apart from typical fruit jams. When made well, ube jam is incredibly thick, velvety, and creamy. It melts on the tongue, leaving behind that distinct, comforting sweetness. Its rich starches contribute to a density that other jams simply lack, making it satisfying as both a spread and a standalone dessert. Easy guide to making homemade ube jam, authentic recipe basics. Making ube halaya involves simple ingredients but requires patience and dedication, especially when it comes to stirring. Many Filipinos consider the long stirring time a labor of love, essential for getting that signature smoothness. Although this process can take an hour or more, the result is completely worth the effort. By dedicating the time, you gain a batch of jam far superior to anything store-bought. Try these ideas and bring the vibrant flavor of ube jam into your kitchen. Keep enjoying the rich, smooth taste in every spoonful. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.